Hi guys, this is Sri Harismita, student at KMIT, and the project is querying reports from iCar Krida website using large language model. This is my second phase of project, and problem statement is design and develop a language model based system that allows users to query reports documents from iCar Krida website. For this purpose, either fine-tune LLM model with the given agricultural data or use a RAG framework and populate with its data. And the users can enable it in Hindi version also. This is the proposed solution. It collects the data using the advanced tools and analyzes the information using Gemini 1.5 Pro model, and it answers the question that is through a retrieval and question and retrieval model. Translates content from English to Hindi, and next includes agricultural reports, provides access to valuable research from iCar Krida website. And these are the main components: web scraping, RAG implementation, LLM, user interface, and LangChain. And this is the multimodal RAG pattern. First, it searches for the information. It looks for the relevant information from a large collection of data and it combines data types. It can use both text and images to get better understanding. Next, it generates answers. It uses this information to generate accurate and helpful answers. It gives you the final answer or content in a easy to understanding way. We need to insert the document and it segregates into images and text, and those summaries get stored into a vector DB, that is Chroma. This is a database, and here the multimodal embedding goes on. If a user asks a query, it searches for the relevant information and gives you the output. And this is the LangChain. Data which is given gets segregated into chunks and then followed by embedding. And if a user asks for a question, it searches for the relevant information into the vector database and gives you the result. And this is a ingestion pipelining. Pre-processing begins with ingesting documents are split into text chunks and images. Those are stored into vector DB. And these are the steps to implement multimodal RAG using LangChain. Install all packages, import all required packages, set up Google API key, that is for Gemini 1.5 Pro, and load PDF files from iCarpedia website, split the data into text chunks, and download embedding models and create embeddings for each text chunks and store them in a vector DB. Create a prompt template and load the model and get the result. This is Q&A pipeline. Uh, Q&A pipeline is nothing but question and answer retrieval model. We are going inputs are turned to embeddings and those are stored into a vector DB, that is database vector database Chroma DB. Multimodal outputs can be of for documents or images and outputs are sent to this LLM. This is extraction of text through web scraping from iCarpedia website, and here just we just put a URL link over here, and we get downloaded PDF from that URL, and text is getting extracted, and here the tables are getting extracted from the same PDF. Next is this further step to combine web scraping with a RAG model. Web scraping to download PDFs, extract text from PDFs, prepare the data for the RAG model, implement the RAG model, integrate Q&A retrieval model. And next is here we are going to implement the code right now. And we are going to install the packages like LangChain community and all. And we are going to create a separate environment for that and import all the required packages just like prompt template, Q&A chain, and the PDF directory, Chroma DB. These all are the required packages. And next, we are going to set up this API key from Google. So hence, we are using this Google Colab. So we are going to do it like in this way. After creating this Google API key, and we're going to use it here. Next, we are going to load PDFs from the folder. I'm using a PDF that is IML, that is nothing but a machine learning PDF. So here the data is printed. You can check it by printing the data over here. And this is all the data which is present in the PDF. And next we are going to split the data into text chunks, and according to your model we are going to give the chunk size and the chunk overlap. So according to my model I have given chunk size as 1000 and chunk overlap as 100. Next we are going to download embeddings model, and here follows by embedding, and the embedding text, the text which are embedded are those get stored in this vector database. Yeah. Next, we are going to create a prompt template and load the model. We are using here Gemini Pro, and we are going to get the result which is required. And I asked a query here, what is machine learning? And I got the required result. Thank you guys.